So today we're going to be working on some practice ACT math questions. These are straight released from ACT.org, and I'll have the link in the bio. Again, all of these, you are used a lot of use calculator on all of the questions, which is great, and you should know all 4 of these things beforehand. So let's jump right in. A car averages 27 miles per gallon. It costs $4.04 per gallon. Which of the following is the closest to how much gas would cost for this car to travel 27 typical miles? So first we're going to do 27 divided by 27 to see how many gallons are going to be used. So that equals 101 gallons, and it's $4.04 per gallon. So let's find the cost. 101 times 4.04. So that gives us $408.04, and that's D right here. Again, on the test, do not actually write out all this work, just do it on your calculator and it'll be easiest. So, number 2, when x equals 3 and y equals 5, how much does the value of 3x squared minus 2y exceed the value of 2x squared minus 3y? Okay, so 3 squared minus 2 times 5, this gives us, just put it in your calculator, 17. And 2x squared minus 3 equals, so let's find that. So 17 and 3 differ by 14, so that is G. Okay, what is the value of x when 2x plus 3 equals 3x minus 4? This is simple algebra. 2x plus 3 equals 3x minus 4. Subtract 3x, subtract 3x, subtract 3, subtract 3. So we have negative x equals negative 7. So x is equal to 7. So what's the greatest common factor? 42, 126, and 210. So these are all the answers. So I'm going to look at the largest choice, which is 42, and see if 210 and 126 divided by 42. And look, since they both do, 42 is the right answer. That's just a quick trick. Just look at the largest number and see if it works, because it usually works. Okay. Number 5. Sales for a business were $3 million more than the second year than the first. And sales for the third year were double the sales for the second year. If sales for the third year were $38 million, what were the sales in millions of dollars for the first year? Okay, so X is going to equal first year, and y is going to equal second year, and y is equal to 3 plus x. And sales for the third year, so third year, were 3 plus x, because it's 2y. If sales for the third year were $38 million, what were the sales for the first year? So third year, 3 plus x, which is just y, is equal to 38 million. So let's just, 2 times 3 plus x is equal to 38 divided by 2. 3 plus x is equal to, what's 38 divided by 2? 19. So x is equal to $16 million, which is right there. In the figure below, ray EF was constructed starting from rays ED and EG. By using a compass, D and G were marked equidistant on rays ED and EG. The compass was then used to locate a point F distinct from E, so that F is equidistant from D and G. For constructions above the steps, the measures of DEF, so this, and GEF are, they should be equal, because the key words in all of these were equidistant. Everything is equidistant from each other. So again, just some trig rules. Okay, number 7. Abandoned mines frequently fill with water. Before an abandoned mine can be reopened, the water must be pumped out. The size of the pump depends on the depth of the mine. If pumping out a mine that is d feet deep requires a pump that requires a minimum of d squared, just the equation, per minute, pumping out a mine that is 150 deep would require a pump that pumps a minimum of how many gallons per minute? So we're gonna plug 150 in for d, because it's d feet deep, into this equation and see what we get. So we're gonna do d squared, so 150 squared divided by 25 plus 4, oh no, let me start over. 25 plus 4 times 150 minus 250, so that gives us 1250, and that's D. Okay, the length in inches of a box is 3 inches less than its width. Which of the following gives the length L? Okay, so L is just equal to W minus 3, because it's 3 inches less than the width. So let's see which answer choice that is. L equals, oh, it's 3 inches less than twice. It's 2W minus 3, and that is J. So in quadrilateral PQRS, sides PS, so PS and QR are parallel. What is the value of X? So in a parallel scheme, or like not scheme, but like in when quadrilateral is parallel, this angle and this angle are going to equal 180. So 70 plus X is equal to 180. So X is equal to 110. And that's just another trig rule you need to know. How many irrational numbers are there between 1 and 6? This is just a rule of thumb. There are always infinite number of irrational numbers between any two numbers, because you can just keep getting them. So it's infinitely many. And that's a little mind game question that these two like to throw at you. So a typical high school student consumes 67.5 pounds of sugar per year. As part of a new nutrition plan, each member of a track team plans to lower the sugar he or she consumes by at least 20% for the coming year. Assuming each track member had consumed at the level of a typical high school student and will adhere to this plan for the coming year, what is the maximum number of sugar that they consume? Okay, so since they're decreasing it by 20%, they're going to consume 80%. So let's just look at 0.8 times 67.5. So the maximum they can consume is 54. So that's D. Okay, in the standard XY plane coordinate, 3 of the vertices of the rectangle are shown. Which of the following is the 4th vertex? Okay, so to get from -1 to 2, 1, you're going 3 up, because you're going -1 to 2, and you're going 2 right. So we're just gonna do the exact opposite to 6, 5. So from 6, 5, we're gonna go 3 down, not 3 down, sorry, brain fart. We're just gonna do the exact opposite of that. So we're gonna do 6 minus 3 to get the first coordinate, and -5 minus 2 to get the second coordinate. And we went 3 right and 2 up. That's why I was getting confused, sorry guys. So from 6, 5, we're gonna go 3 left, so 6 minus 3, this gives us 3, and we're gonna go 2 down now. So -5 minus 2 equals -7, so 3, -7 is our thing. Again, you should be going pretty quickly through the first couple problems, because these are, I feel like, more the easiest ACT sample problems. They will get much harder, so try to take 30 seconds on each problem, and yeah.